Hello students, here is the question. Consider the above chemical reaction and identify product A. So here we have a cyano group to attach to this ring over here, and the ring is reacted to water in the presence of H plus, and A is the product which is the major product in this case, and when A reacts with water in the presence of H plus and heat, we get carboxylic acid group in the place of cyano group. So here if we look, we know that cyanide group, when treated with only hydrogen, in the presence of hydrogen with water, it forms, it has a specific mechanism because cyano group has three bonds. So we can say that oxygen, let me just write it a little different. So this molecule over here, we know oxygen has a lone pair, so it donates the lone pair to the carbon atom, and this bond is shifted to the nitrogen atom. So the end product in this case is one bond is removed, the water molecule attaches like this. So oxygen will have a positive charge, carbon will have all these four valencies satisfied, nitrogen will have a negative charge. As we know, we have H plus in concentration, so H plus attaches to nitrogen minus to give us NH in this case, correct? Now what happens is, oxygen is not stable with 3 as its valency, so what it does is it removes its hydrogen, and we have a H plus again in the system which was taken up by the nitrogen atom. So let me draw the final product. So this is the product, correct? Now what happens is oxygen again donates its lone pair, as you can know that oxygen retains its lone pair by the loss of hydrogen. So it again donates its lone pair to form a double bonded with a carbon, and this bond is shifted to the nitrogen. So the product or the intermediate becomes this, correct? Now what happens is H plus is again used in this part, so it is taken by the NH minus to become NH2, and as we know hydrogen H plus is lost by the nitrogen atom, so it is again provided to the system by giving out the oxygen on hydrogen on the oxygen atom to give us this as the major product in this case. As you can see, the major product, because we have carbonyl group right next to an electronegative atom, and carbonyl group tends to attract the negative bond or the electron. So an electronegative atom is able to donate its electron pair because of the presence of lone pair, and this actually makes us a major product in this case as compared to the all three. So if you look at the mechanism over here, this is the mechanism. You get this as the product because there is partial hydrolysis, and then you use complete hydrolysis in the presence of heat to give us carboxylic acid and ammonia. Thank you.